Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn computer science for beginners. To start, focus on understanding the fundamental building blocks of computing. This includes grasping core programming principles and logic, which are essential for any aspiring computer scientist. Next, delve into data structures and algorithms to write efficient and optimized code. Finally, explore operating systems and computer architecture to see how software interacts with hardware. Once you have a foundational understanding, it's time to get hands-on with programming. Start with a versatile language like Python or Java, as they are widely used and have extensive resources. Consistent practice is key. Aim to code daily to build your proficiency. Also, learn to use version control systems, like Git, which are crucial for managing projects and collaborating with others. Finally, become comfortable with integrated development environments to streamline your coding process. Computer science offers many exciting specializations. You might investigate web development, focusing on either the front-end user interface or the back-end server logic. Another popular path is data science, machine learning, or artificial intelligence, which involves working with large datasets. Cybersecurity and network administration are vital for protecting digital systems. Alternatively, you could discover mobile app development, creating applications for different operating systems. Continuous learning is essential in computer science. Engage with online courses and tutorials from platforms like Coursera or edX to deepen your understanding. Participate actively in coding communities and forums to ask questions and learn from peers. Building personal projects is a fantastic way to apply your knowledge and create a portfolio. Always stay updated with new technologies and trends to remain relevant in this fast-evolving field.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.